Hi guys, Film here. Welcome to this weekly update. So last week I released two indicators, one free indicator and one private indicator. I'm going to start with the free indicator. You can get it on TradingView. Just type Film Bitcoin and you will get it. Just click on it. This is an indicator for Bitcoin in the daily time frame. What I like about it is that we can quickly see the trend with the colors, and it also has some nice alerts. Like for example, recently we had a lot of drop alerts and a big sell alert, and right after that the price kept dropping. So that's it for the free indicator. Also, yes, you can create alerts for each kind of signal. So the drop, reversal, rise, buy, sell. So I'm going to now talk about the trade that happened with the ultimate trading bot that I also released 1 week ago. So I created several charts configuration for this indicator. So it's an indicator for trading smaller time frames. You get entry and exit signals like this, get stop loss and take profit system, and we get also backtest results using the strategy tester. So we got this Litecoin configuration, which is one of my favorites because of the nice win rate. And in these last days we see that we get some shorts here, and so far no stop loss, so this is good. I hope this will keep up. Moving on to the Bitcoin configuration in 5 minutes. So here we have some nice, we have several configurations. We have the first one, which is this one. We get some shorts that are successful. As you can see, the backtest is increasing in net profit. One thing I don't like about 5 minutes is that we can see that we have some drawdown here. Even with the trying stop loss, we can still get some drawdown. So if we look at the second configuration, which is using the support resistance breakouts, you can see it has a better net profit, slightly lower win rate, and also a lower max drawdown. Moving on to the 15 minutes. So we got the first configuration on the top, which is she's showing a nice short here, and the configuration on the bottom is using the support and resistance. I'm going to show you how it works. Alright, so basically when we got a support and a resistance line, and the indicator catches the breakouts, and when it's not a fake out, we get most of the time actually successful trades. It's nice in this current market because we have a lot of volatility these days. I also have a configuration for XRP, and since last week we have seen unlucky stop loss here. We had a long which has been followed by another long, and several charts that all have been successful. So if we look at the backtest, you can see some nice results. So that was XRP. Now we have ETH on 5 minutes. Also, we can also have two configurations. The first one is looking like this, and the second one another configuration with a little bit more trades, but not the best configuration, I would say, because in 15 minutes we get this. For the configuration at the top, we got a really nice net profit, also nice win rate, and the second configuration is more focused on the win rate, as you can see. So ETH 15 minutes, a really nice configuration. And I also have, so all these configurations are shared to, they are public, you can see them. I have a link on my Discord. It's public, you can see for yourself. You can also request configuration if, for example, you want to trade a new pair. There are configurations for BitMEX, Binance, Kraken. So yeah, this is the indicator that I released last week, the Ultimate Trading Bot. You can get it on my website. It's a private indicator. There is a quick setup guide if you are interested, a description of how it works, and all the parameters. It has a lot of parameters because this is a generic indicator. You can configure it on like almost any time frame and market. So that will be all for this video. I'm going to say thanks for watching, and see you next time.